Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this math tutorial, we are evaluating the value of sine 22.5 degrees without using a calculator. Now 22.5 degrees times 2 gives us 45 degrees. Okay, now I want to use the double angle formulae to simplify that. You remember there's one that says cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. We are going to use that one, right? If I let theta is equal to 22.5, I will have cos 2 times 22.5 degrees on that side, giving us 1 minus 2 sine squared 22.5 degrees. All right, now this gives us 45. You remember what I've just written here, and then we are going to have cos 45 degrees, which is a special angle, 1 minus 2 sine squared 22.5 degrees. Now I can just transpose this to the other side. I will have 2 sine squared 22.5 degrees is equal to 1 minus cos 45 degrees. Now you remember from the special angles that cos 45 degrees is the same thing as root 2 over 2. So we are going to have sine squared 22.5 degrees is equal to, I'll just divide by 2 on this side, and on that side 1 minus, this is root 2 over 2, and divided by that 2. Okay, so we're going to have sine squared 22.5 degrees, and that is equal to, now if we add using the methods of adding fractions, we are going to have 2 minus root 2 divided by 2, and that is also being divided by that 2. So we are going to have sine squared 22.5 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 2, then that's being divided by 4. You remember when you simplify fractions. Now to find sine 22.5 degrees, we are going to take root both sides. So we are going to have sine 22.5 degrees is equal to the square root of 2 minus root 2 over 4. Right, now that will simplify to sine 22.5 degrees is equal to the root of 2 minus root 2 divided by 2. Then we have managed to do that using the double angle formula. We've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Enjoy your day.